Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.Kb. Welcome back with another video, and today I'm gonna be taking that little girl out. Probably gonna be spinning. We probably gonna go to a meet. I don't know, it's just snowing. And I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna get into, so.
I can't ride up in no charge. Got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. We take engine 3.2 at the TL. It's going off.
You did kind of look like a little dork.
Damn. Oh shit. God damn. Why no shift? Okay. Okay. Probably cause this motherfucker frozen like a motherfucker. I ain't gonna hold you. That's some bullshit though, man. Gotta watch out for 12 though, cause I ain't tryna, nah, nigga, I ain't tryna get, it's too cold for me to go to jail. I'm too pretty. I can't do that. I'm stopping. Say Publix, but nah, that's right out there, nah. God. Fun?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Where is this high school you speak of?
Back the other way.
Well, damn. Go back to the A, but nah, I'll be alright. Down, bitch. Come back on down, bitch. Hey, bro. I'm gonna try to lunch this son, bitch.
Of course, you thinking about lunch.
Not food, but taking off.
Oh, lunch?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you filled all them ponies. Cap. Just spinning. Not even grinning.
I'm gonna take you the easier way because there is a way that might be the uphill way.
Straddle their mind. Oh. Ah, damn.
17 car miles.
Oh, shit.
Did that just hit?
No, it didn't hit. They just are dumb as shit. Why are you sliding on a fucking freeway? That's fucking retarded. I could have got bonus points, bitch. That's content. How was you niggas day to day? I just got a boost of adrenaline right there. How was you niggas day to day? I'm kind of cold, but leave it down there in the comments down below how y'all niggas doing today. But nigga, it cold today, boy. I can't hold. Is that a GR Corolla though? They almost saw me eat shit. Is it a G? Ah, please don't tell me that nigga all-wheel drive. That'll be gay if he is. I think the GR is all-wheel drive. That didn't help. That didn't do it. What's back here?
We're about to find out.
You never been back here?
I don't think there's much back here.
Nope. Yeah, he was waiting on somebody. But
Afternoon, officer.
how are you?
We're just gonna see ourselves.
If y'all did like this video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn on post notifications on if you fuck with your boy. But shit, you see that man back there. I ain't gonna say too much, but call it a day.
Bye, have a great time.
Hand on the wheel, foot on the gas. All of the time I done burn up my cash. I'm back on my grind, yeah, I'm back in my bag. If I'm not in first, then I feel like I'm last. It's not a face, it's a passion now. I follow my dreams and I'm catching now. Still feel like it might just come crashing down. Damn.